Okay, that tarp and stakes are frozen to the ground, so I won't be being able to start this because I can't leave it tented like that or it'll blow up. Next, you got the 2013 Kia, the 1991-92 model Caprice, plus 2 push mowers. Let's see how we go. So we'll start here with the Kia. Uh-oh. The keys are too cold. Yeah. If anyone has a key like this, it's absolutely worthless in this weather because they freeze and then the car doesn't register them. See? Let's see now. Hold on a second. Let me fight with this stupid key. Wow. I don't know if we're going to get this car started today. Damn. Where the frick is the sensor? Aha. All right, here we go. There we go. Boy, that was a pain in the ass. I said, these keys, when they freeze, they're useless. God forbid if you actually had to get somewhere in an emergency and rely on this piece of shit. That's why I have a vehicle built before 2000. Before I started putting all this push button crap in. But I digress. Alright. Oh yeah, this one running. Alright. Ready? Wow. She is a cold girl. My oh my, she cold. There we go. Got it liven up a little bit. Cool. Now, let's see what else we can do. Bummer, I really wanted to see if this deer would start in the cold. I'm not even gonna bother with those. Well, that's good enough. Catch you guys later.